Baby, I love you, I never want to let you go. The more I think about, the more I want to let you know that everything you do is super fucking cute and I can't stand it.
So hi Brittany, I'm sorry we couldn't spend Valentine's Day together, but to make up for that I'm making this video. 50 things that I love about you, which is a very small portion of everything that I love about you. I love your eyes. I love your smile, I love your hair, I love your freckles even though you don't like them at all. I love your hands and how they feel in mine. I love your laughs and your snorts, and your sneezes are really freaking cute, I'm not gonna lie. I love your hugs and I love your kisses. I especially love cuddling with you. I think it's the cutest thing when you go after every kiss sometimes, like you're just like, and you're just like, okay. I even love your fake crying, as obnoxious as it is. I love that you can burp and fart in front of anyone without caring. I love your obsession with hot sauce, tea, and Luan Legacy. I love that you have bad taste in television like Buck Wild. I love how you watch and reblog videos of cute lesbian couples. I also love that you share my interest in gay men. Believe it or not, how messy your room is, as disgusting as it is, because you never dust your damn TV ever, and it's just like, oh, there's dust everywhere. It's nasty. I love that you have pictures all over your walls. I love how mean you are to your dog, and I don't understand why your dog loves you, because you just treat it like shit. So it's just like, get out of my life. And it's just like, I love you. Okay. I especially love how you freak out over winks. I love when you send pics to me. I love waking up to your text messages and texting you all day. Going to bed with you and waking up with you the next morning. That you sing along with the radio. Your love for the Addams Family, and I apologize, I didn't know the difference between Munsters and the Addams Family. I love that you like names like Ecstasy. That's a stripper name, by the way. Don't name your child that. I love how you like slippers and heels, but nothing in between. I love how we met. I will never forget that day. I love how kind you are and how you always put others before yourself. I love that you wanted to hug me right when we first met, but I declined to hug because you were wet. That sounds dirty. I love that you hold my hand. I love that talking to you never gets boring. I love that we are content when just sitting with each other talking. I love hearing you say I love you. I love your flaws. I love that you love me, but most importantly, I love you, Brittany. Even though those were only 50 reasons why I love you. You mean the world to me, and there's not enough words to describe how much I love you. So happy Valentine's Day, Brittany. Oh, and I love how you didn't know what the 7 continents were.